our markets as we go into a holiday tomorrow. But on to PSU banks, though, they are in focus today, along with financial institutions like New India Assurance and LIC, and that is after the government has issued a request for appointment of merchant bankers for a stake sale in these companies. Sapna is joining in with more details on that. Sapna, good afternoon. What are you picking up?
Hi, Harmaz. Very good afternoon. So basically, this is on expected lines. If you can recall, sometime way back in Jan, sometime I think around Jan 14, we had reported that a plan of QIP plus possible dilution of government equity in at least the four banks which have yet to meet the MPS norms, that could be possible. Though, of course, QIP is something that has been doing the rounds for quite some time. Some plans had been formed up, but parallelly, probably this push of OFS would be required because the government shareholding in these banks is really too high, over 93 odd percent in all four of them. And the timeline to meet the MPS norms, of course, keeps getting extended, but that expires as of now, August 2026. So keeping that in perspective, most likely the new framework that we're talking about, of course, deals with OFS, but maybe primarily the government would like to aim to bring those entities which have not met the 25% minimum public float norm. They are the possible candidates for this, state dilution of government equity. That's one. And second aspect, of course, you rightly mentioned, entities like New India Assurance, LIC is a well-known case. Maybe even it could be GIC. I think the government shareholding is above 70, GOI shareholding is above 75% in that company. Maybe one or two CPSEs, maybe IRFC for all you know. But as of now, of course, the focus is going to be on the big public financial institutions as well as the public sector banks. So I suppose to start off with the IOB, Central Bank, UCO Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, they are the known candidates, and most likely the push will come on these entities first.
Indeed, Sapna, thanks a lot for that. Is these small-sized PSU banks, these low float names where the government is holding more than 90 to 95% in these lenders, and of course LIC, where the government only divested around 3.5% during its IPO back in 2022. We'll keep an eye out on all of these names.